Hey guys, I'm Ali, and in this demo video, I'm going to show you guys OpenSea.com web scraper. OpenSea.com is an NFT marketplace where people sell their NFTs. So I have developed this particular web scraper for a client who needed to scrap the crypto wallet address which is holding the NFT, and I have scrapped the crypto wallet balance and its Ethereum balance and its Binance Smart Chain balance. So these all elements are being scrapped with this scrapper. Let me show you this demo. So I have also developed this for another website, which I will show you guys a bit later. Yeah, but let's just see for see this web scraper was developed a while ago, but I'm just showing you. It's going to the NFTs. It's scraping its yeah, its wallet addresses, its balance. Okay, and this is not only for only single NFT. Okay, it will be done the same for all NFTs which you input to the bot. It's now going to all NFTs one by one. Okay, actually it's scraping based on collection. So the purpose of this demo is actually also to show you guys how to automate NFT marketplace. Okay, some people do need some kind of bots to rank their NFTs, or I don't know, to increase their reading volume or something like that. So this kind of particular scraper is related to that. That's why I wanted to show you guys this demo. Okay guys, so this is finished, and this is how it's done. Okay, it's very simple scraper actually, only a few lines of code as required for this, but it was developed a while ago. Okay, yeah, that was it for this video. Okay guys, see you in next video. Bye bye.